Hi, to set dating time on your OnePlus Nord free phone, you just need to swipe up first to unlock your phone. Here, go in the settings. After that, we just need to find additional settings. Here it is. Just click it and now select Dating time. So in this section, you can change time format, date, time zone, and so on. For that, to change the time format first, just click on the 24 hours and in the upper left corner you can see how the time changes. To change the date and time, you just need to disable to set time automatically. Go in the date and select another date, then go in the time and here select another time. Also, you can adjust the same for the time zone. So just disable it first and here switch to another time zone from the list. And that's it how it works. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.